Hello, Amy Store here. I am going to give you a quick review on how to upload certificates into Eduphoria. I will add this video to our coach's YouTube channel so you have access to it throughout the school year in case you need it when the school year starts. This is going to help those that attended summer professional development this summer to add their certificates and so they can get credit. So let me show you how to get started. You're going to come here to our district homepage and click on Employees and then click on Eduphoria. Just today, I was prompted to reset my password. The requirements for passwords, the type of password you have in Eduphoria, I think recently changed. And so you may get an email that prompts you to do the same thing. All right, so you're going to come down here where it says Workshop. Now, before you click here, do make sure you have your certificate saved somewhere on your computer. If, like, for example, if you went to a Region 6 conference or a Region 6 session, you take an evaluation and they give you a digital certificate that you can save to your desktop. If you go to a conference or a session and they give you a paper certificate, you will need to scan that to yourself and save it to your computer. So when you go to the copy machine, instead of clicking on the copy button after you scan your badge, click on scan, and then you're going to send this paper copy digitally to yourself and then save it to your computer. When you click on scan, it gives you the option to send to myself, and you're going to click that and then run that paper through the copy machine, and it will come to your email in the form of a PDF. All right, so once you do that, you're going to click on Workshop. And then you may have different tabs than me, but you're going to click on the tab that says Workshop, and then you're going to click on My Portfolio, and then come down here and click Add New Portfolio Entry. And then it's going to walk you through an entry wizard. So you're going to click on Outside Workshop or Conference. That's typically the one that you choose when you are adding certificates from somewhere other than credit hours earned within the district. And then you're going to click on Next. And then you're going to give it a title. So for example, today I went to a Microsoft Teams training. And then right here, you do want to add a description. So this is just the description of the workshop or session or conference that you went to. And you can typically find these descriptions wherever you registered for these conferences. Just copy and paste it and add it right here. So for example, if this was a Region 6 conference that I attended and I wanted to upload the certificate that I earned here, let me show you how you do that. I'm just going to randomly choose something that is taking place at Region 6. So let's say I went to this one. Excuse me. I'm going to copy this whole thing. Right click copy. And then go back into my wizard. Paste. And there is the description for that training. Then you'll pick the date or dates that you attended, and you'll also click your start and end time as well. I'm just going to leave it like that. Just for time purposes, and then click Next. Now here's where you're going to give yourself credit hours. So let's say that this was the Microsoft training. That's 6 hours, that's 6 district hours, that's 6 trade out, and that's 6 SBEC. And I always put them in each of these 3. You don't want to put anything here where it says GT unless the training you went to was coded as GT. And you can leave comments here if you want to about the credit request, or you can leave it blank. And then you click Next. Then this is where you're going to upload your certificate. So you're going to click on Choose File here. And you're going to go find, not that this is my certificate, but sure, or we could just say we'll use this Bitmoji. Not that this is my certificate, but you would click on your certificate and you would attach it here. And if you had multiple certificates, you would do the same thing. You don't need to fill in the description since you copy and pasted that earlier, or since we did. And then you click Finish. Now, once you get here, save it just to be safe. And then you have to click Submit for approval. And then your principal, your campus principal, will have to go in her Eduphoria or his Eduphoria account and approve that credit. If you put in for GT credit, Miss Jada Mullins, at curriculum instruction at the TLC building, she will have to approve for that credit. So if you're waiting to get approval for something, those are the people that you can reach out to about that credit. You should get an email anytime that someone approves your credit. So you would save here and then hit submit. I'm not going to do either of those since I am about to delete it, since it's not an actual training that I went to. If you have any questions about this, reach out to me. I'm here for you, or your TIMs that are on your campus, your technology integration mentors. We are here for you as well. Like I said, if you need me, reach out. See you soon.